Hey, check this out. We're gonna show y'all how to make your bicycle sound like a motorcycle. You didn't pay the same price for a motorcycle, but it's gonna sound just like that. So I got two creative guys here. What's your name?
Isaac.
And then what's your name?
Zai.
So what they're gonna do is they're gonna take, what is that?
A water.
Empty bottle, empty water bottle, plastic. And they're gonna put it in there, in their tires. That's what they're gonna do. So put them in your tires. All right, now since they got them off in their tires, why don't you check this out? More I'm behind these two cats right here. Look, listen.